From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, CNET. I'm student meteorologist Filippo Formica, and taking a look back at today, which is the vernal equinox, the start of astronomical spring. Things started out a bit wintry today with some snow showers throughout the day here. You can see on this time lapse here of Beaver Stadium, some of those snow showers moving through. But we did see peaks of blue sky into the early afternoon before we are starting to get a little bit cloudier right now. And that is because we have more snow here in the northern tier of the Commonwealth starting to slide in. And this will be continuing over the next 36 hours, where we could be seeing this next system here that's moving in from Canada, sliding into the northeast, bringing in some more snow squalls, especially for your Wednesday. Otherwise, pretty much a blank map here. We have a little bit of some activity in southern Texas and a little bit of a disturbance here in Montana and North Dakota. These two systems here will be eventually impacting our weekend here in the northeast. But until then, we are dealing with this snow squall threat. You can see that snow showers moving off. But Wednesday is going to be very violent with these snow showers. But as you get to the south and east, that will be mostly rain, just a bit too warm for that snow. But just across the central portion of the state, we're going to be seeing a wintry battleground between that rain and snow, maybe even some sleet showers with these squall lines here. So from Scranton down through State College and through Pittsburgh, that's where we're going to be seeing that line, that rain-snow line setting up. So that is definitely something to watch out for as you're walking on campus around 1:30 Wednesday afternoon. But eventually this does start to clear out, and eventually we will be seeing just snow in the northern tier of the Commonwealth before things start to wind down with this continual snow squall threat. Before we get into the weekend, we'll be seeing this system start to pop up here. That's from that North Dakota and Texas areas of low pressure. These will be starting to come together. This northern piece of energy right here going to be mostly our snowy side of this storm system, mostly in Michigan here Friday evening, and this southern piece of energy is going to be phasing or coming together with this system to create a more impactful system for our area. It does seem like most of the Commonwealth is going to be just a tad too warm to see any real snow, mostly going to be confined to the interior northeast here, at least this 1 mile run showing mostly a ski area snowmaker for this weekend, keeping much of the New York City metropolitan area and the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania in that rain. Maybe we could be seeing some winter precipitation in southern New England. So if you're traveling out that way, that is definitely something to take note of here. Let's take a look at a different model run here, also showing those two pieces of energy, one in the north, one in the south. These will be coming together, but this model run is showing a bit more wintry precipitation in the state, with the Laurel Highlands and the Northern Plateau getting into some more of that snowfall. But if you are along the coastline here, mostly going to be a heavy rain event for you. And eventually this does slide off. Again, maybe a little bit of some winter precipitation in southern New England before this thing slides off at 8:30 here Sunday morning. But for tonight, we are going to be dealing with those snow showers and flurries, mostly cloudy skies, and for that vernal equinox, that is at 11:06 p.m. tonight. So if you do the egg balance, that is the time. Southwest winds at 10 miles an hour. As we move into tomorrow, those snow showers are going to be mixing in with some rain and continuing 45 degrees your high. Those winds 15 to 20 miles an hour out of the southwest, gusting pretty heavily to 35 miles an hour. So hold on to your hats here in State College as you're walking about campus. And as we move into our 7-day, you can see Thursday a bit chillier, below normal by about 10 degrees, but mainly clear. Thursday night, 21 degrees, a bit chilly to start off our astronomical spring before we deal with this weekend system here, bringing in some rainfall. And we will see a bit of clearing for the end of the weekend and into the beginning of next work week, where things will be just a tad warmer, just above average as we get into Monday and Tuesday, where Tuesday we could be seeing our next rainmaker start to work into the region here. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening and some of that sunshine on Thursday coming up. Have a great day.